Hello everyone, my name is Arya Respati Akmal Sugandi. I am a student at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Today, I would like to share my opinion about the lecturers at Bina Sarana Informatika University. In my opinion, the lecturers at Bina Sarana Informatika University are very dedicated and professional in their teaching. They always try their best to help students understand the lessons, and they are very patient when we have difficulties. I can see that they really care about our learning progress and want us to succeed. What I really appreciate is that our lecturers are not too traditional in their teaching methods. They often use technology to support the learning process. For example, using digital platforms, online materials, and videos. This makes the class more interesting and help us stay focused. It also shows that they are adapting to modern education and keeping up with the time. Many of the lecturers are friendly and easy to communicate with. They are open to discussion when students ask questions and or need an advice. They respond with patience and understanding. This creates a positive atmosphere that makes studying feel more enjoyable. Overall, I think the lecturers at Bina Sarana Informatika University are doing a great job. They combine knowledge, technology, and good communication to create an effective learning experience. I really appreciate their effort and dedications because they inspire us to learn, grow, and prepare for the future. That's my opinion about the lecturers at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Still with Arya here? Right now, I will explain the usage of modal in request words, understanding how to make polite requests in English. For introduction, when we want to ask for a things, order at a restaurant, or make an offers, we use modal of request. We use modals to make requests sound more polite. In English, making the request short and direct is considered quite impolite. It's much better to use a longer version of the request by using modals of request so that the request is less direct and therefore considered more polite. As you can see on the screen, there is some example for a direct request and indirect request. So, what is a modal verb? A modal verb is an auxiliary helping verb that expresses a particular quality of a verb. Modal verbs are used with the infinitive or base form of the main verb to modify its meaning. Several modal verbs are used to make requests. The most common modals for making requests are can, could, will, would, and many others. So, the general structure for requests using modal verb is modal verb plus subject plus base form of a verb. For example here, would you like something to drink? Would here is a modal verb, you is the subject, drink is base form of a verb. Would you like something to eat? Here's the other example that you can see on the screen. There is also a level of politeness. First, can and will are used for less formal requests, typically among friends or peers. Second is could and would, indicate more formality and politeness, suitable for use with strangers or in respectful situations. The third is adding please after the subject or at the end of the sentence makes the request even more polite. As you can see here, for example, adding please, like would you please shut the door, or would you shut the door please. And here's the another example. Will you lend me some money, please? Or will you please lend me some money? And here's the table of level of politeness. Okay, here's the example usage of modal with request with modal can. Can is the most common and neutral way to make a request. It's polite in everyday conversation but less formal than could or may. For example here, can you bring me a soda? Or can I have some vegetables? For there is not request with can is used in all subjects. See, can I, you, we, or even name. Here's another request with modal could. The modal verb could is often used to make requests polite and respectful. It's often the tone compared to can, and it's suitable in both formal and casual situations. For example here, could you help me? Or could you open the door? Could I have some water? Here's another one. Request with modal will. The modal will is used to make a direct or friendly request, often used when the speaker expects the person to agree or cooperate. For example here, will you bring me a soda? Or will you come here for a minute? Will you come here for a minute? There is note that request with will, mostly second person request. Will you? You is the second person. And there is request with modal may. The modal may is used for a very polite or formal request. It often appears in a formal conversations, letters, or when showing a great respect. For example here, may I come in please? Or may I have a cup of coffee? The rest of the example you can see on the screen here. Here's another one. Would you mind? When we want to make a polite request in English, we can use the phrase would you mind. Different than others, for a phrase would you mind is there is a general structure here. Would you mind plus verb first in. For example here, would you mind passing me that book? Would you mind with verb pass in passing? Would you mind passing me that book? The other example you can see on the screen here. Ah, negative request. If when using modal of request we would like to ask someone not to do something, we can place not before the verb. For example, would you not speak so loudly? Would you not speak so loudly? Not is placed before the verb. Would you not speak so loudly? The rest of example you can see on the screen here. For answering a request, to answer affirmatively, we can use yes and then we add the appropriate subject pronoun and the modal verb can or will. To give a negative reply, we can use no, appropriate subject pronoun, and modal verb can. For example here, let's say, can you come with me to the store? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Or Will you come with me to the store? Yes, I will. No, I won't. You can also answer using won't, but it's considered very impolite. So to make a refusal sound more polite, we can add I'm sorry to the answer. Like this, I'm sorry, but I can't. Here's other possible affirmative the answer. You can see on the screen over here. Uh, Common mistake to avoid. First, forgetting to use a question form. For the like this example, you can help me. Uh, the right sentence is can you help me? With not always use the correct question order. Modal plus subject plus verb. Modal, subject, verb. The second one is using will when would sounds more polite. Will you pass the salt? It's a request but too direct. The right one is the polite one is would you pass the salt please? It's considered more polite. Would soften the tones. Would you pass the salt please? The third one is forgetting please or if you don't mind. Could you move it to direct? The right one is could you move please? Could you move please? Adding a small word shows respect and politeness. The fourth one is mixing modals incorrectly. Like, will you can help me? No. Will you help me? Or can you help me? Only one modal verb is used in request. There is a mini dialogue you can see on the screen. For example here, hey, could you tell me where the library is? The B answer, of course, it's next to the cafeteria. With the notes, could you is equals more polite request. Tone and please add a friendliness. And here's another example for a mini dialogue. You can see on the screen. Okay, the summary. For a summary, using modal verbs allows speakers to adjust formality and politeness in requests. Generally, could and would are safer for polite, respectful situations, while can and will suit familiar contexts. And adding please can be added for extra politeness, and would you mind is ideal in formal settings. Okay, that's my explanation the usage of modal in request word for how to make polite request in English. Thank you for watching.